Facing a critical trade summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping in just 2 weeks, President Donald Trump declared that the dispute between the US and China has escalated into a full-scale trade war. The president confirmed that tensions are already at war level when asked about a possibility of a sustained trade war if no deal is struck at their upcoming meeting in South Korea later this month.
Mr. President, you're meeting with President Xi in a few weeks.
Yeah.
If you can't come to an agreement or a deal at that meeting, are we in for a sustained trade war with China?
Well, you're in one now. Look, we have 100% tariff. If we didn't have tariffs, we would be exposed as being a nothing. We would have no defense. You know, they've used tariffs on us, but we've never had anybody sitting in that chair that felt the need to do it, and they've allowed us to be $37 trillion in debt, et cetera, et cetera. Tariffs are a very important tool for our defense, for our national security. If we don't have tariffs, we're not going to have national security.
The latest flare-up began after China halted imports of American soybeans, shifting its sourcing to Argentina and Brazil in retaliation against US tariffs introduced in April this year. Now, in response, on October 14th, the US announced it would cease buying cooking oil from China. Earlier this month, China's move to restrict exports of rare earth minerals vital for US industries, including defense and electronics, reignited the tit-for-tat exchange of tariffs. Now, Trump responded by threatening to impose 100% tariff from November 1st, on top of the existing 30% levies on Chinese goods. Now, these rare earth minerals accounted for 70% of US imports from China between 2020 and 2023, underscoring the strategic nature of this trade conflict.